Hey folks, Mike here with Overland Archie. Recently, while we were out on the trail conducting some recovery operations, I noticed a little bit of some rust building up on the front of our winch. Today, we're going to take a look about how to clean that up and make sure it doesn't come back. You'll notice that from far away, everything looks pretty good. But as you get closer, you'll start to see that there's been some rust buildup on the front of the winch. It's simple to remove and easy to keep off. One of the best things you can use to clean non-painted metal like chrome is a piece of aluminum foil. If you crunch it up a bit and wet it with a little bit of some water, it'll take the rust right off of this piece of metal. Once you're finished with the aluminum foil, make sure you wipe down the metal with a microfiber cloth. Remember, if you're going to use this method, don't use it on any type of painted metal, as the aluminum foil will take the paint right off. Once you've made sure that the metal is clean and dry, make sure you use an aluminum polish to prevent the rust from coming back. We've selected to use Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. This substance will leave a silicone coating on the metal in order to protect it from future rust. To apply the metal polish, you'll just need to get a little bit of it on a dry terry cloth. Liberally apply the polish to all of the metallic areas that you wish to protect. Don't worry about getting on any plastics, as you'll be able to wipe it off afterwards. Once it's applied, it'll produce a filmy cover. Once dry, buff with a nice clean cloth. Using a good metal polish will keep your winch clean and protected. Coming up, we're going to have a video about switching from steel cable to synthetic winch rope, the pros and cons of both, and which one's right for your Jeep. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you out on the trails.